Alright, so in this video I'm going to walk through how to replace the seal and the vacuum breaker diaphragm on the 2206 Mansfield fill valve. So this is the kit, the 630-2206 fill valve service kit. This comes with the seal and the vacuum breaker diaphragm, and it also has the instructions here on the back. So I'll read through the instructions and then go through kind of how to change everything. I'm not going to use these seals because this is a new valve, so everything in it's new, but I will show you how to pull it out, how to put them back in, and replace those seals. So the first step, of course, you would turn the water off to the toilet, flush it, get all the water out, and then you would remove this top cap right here. So the way you do that is pop the front of it up. It's just got a few little clips in it, and then that should just come off pretty simple. And then you're going to disconnect this, so it's just clipped in. You'll just kind of push on it, get it to pop over, move it down, move it right out of there, and then the float should fall freely. It should just sit down under all of this. So you'll twist this toward the inside of the valve, pull it off, and as you can see, here is the seal. Set that off to the side so I can get the other one off. So this has a little clip on the inside of it. All you're going to need for it's a pair of channel locks or something. You'll put those around this cap, twist it, and it should pop off. And then here's the vacuum breaker diaphragm, which you can use a screwdriver, a flathead, and just pop that out. And then of course you would get your new one, which is in this kit, but this valve hasn't been used, so I'm just going to reuse these seals. You put the new one down in there. The cap has a few little slots to slide into, so you would just match that up. Use your channel locks and you should feel it click back into place. Just like that. Then you would take this piece. You can use a flathead or a pair of pliers or something. Just grab onto this seal and work it out of the cap. If I could get a hold of it. There it is. So you would remove this seal, get your new one. This flat side needs to go down toward the bottom. So you want this little piece right here. As you can see, that side kind of flat. This side's got the raised edge in the middle. So you set it down just like that. Push it into place. And then this is turned inside toward the valve. Set it down, twist it, should line up back like this. And then you'll take this right here, you'll pull the float back up. Get these lined up. Oh, there we go. Get those lined up, pull that down, and go back into that hole, and then pop that back over. And then last thing is pop this cap back on. And then you're good. And that's how you replace the seal and the vacuum breaker diaphragm on the Mansfield 2206 fill valve.